$100 million in just 2 weeks. That's how much new money has been passed along to independent health care providers in Ohio who have been waiting since June 1st to get paid. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh has been looking into the problem since it started, and he updates us now on the success of the investigation.
As we showed you earlier this week, it took a long time for Camilla and Larry Bennett to get paid for their work as independent health care providers for their son Jeremy, who was a paraplegic and brain damaged from a motorcycle accident. The Bennetts were among many health care providers who went without income for what seemed like forever.
Oh, hours and hours and days and weeks and finally months.
The Bennetts and other health care aides were caught in a changeover from the state paying them to private insurance carriers, managed care organizations handling those dollars. The privatization program called My Care Ohio got off to a shaky start.
We've been getting many of the same calls that you have, and it's prompted a lot of discussion.
State Senator Shannon Jones is chair of the Medicaid Health and Human Services Committee. She says legislators have been pressuring the state administration.
So one of the things that has happened is over the last few months there have been $100 million in payments that have been made to providers. In the last 2 weeks alone, there's been an additional $100 million in payments being made. So they're really putting the pressure on the MCOs to get people paid so people continue to get the care.
Among those finally getting paid, Camilla and Larry Bennett. My Care Ohio is a pilot project in 29 counties. Senator Jones says any pilot program is going to have some bumps. The key now to smooth out those bumps and make sure they don't come back. The privatization project will last 3 years. After that, the decision will be made on whether to expand it statewide, and if so, with whatever lessons have been learned so far. I think it's safe to say they've learned quite a few lessons. Back to you.
No doubt. Good job with this story, Jeff. Thank you.
Right.
The pilot program was rolled out May 1st in Northeast Ohio, June 1st in our area, and July 1st in the other counties involved in the system changeover.